Hello guys and parents, how are you? I hope you're doing it great in these quarantine times. These are the homeworks for this week. In the page 113 we got think about two titles for Janice blog and writing. Here, for example, the healthy habits change our lives. And next to that you're gonna read the text again and fill in the graphic organizer with the correct information, her health recently and her eating habits. Next to that, you're gonna answer the questions. What is your personal opinion about Janet's weekly menu? Do you think it's healthy or do you like the menu? Next to that, we got language check, simple present, write 5 action verbs and 5 not action verbs from the text how healthy habits change lives. For example, these two verbs, walk and run. In the page 114, we got make your personal weekly menu, organize your food by breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Remember, it has to be nutritious food. Include the type of sport or physical activity you are going to do. For example, on Monday breakfast, we got cereal and milk. On Tuesday breakfast, fruits with granola. Then you're gonna make your portfolio. To complement your healthy menu, describe your daily routine in your notebook. Pick any day you want. Write about the activities you do in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Remember to use the present simple tense, adverbs of frequency, time expressions, and correct punctuation. And we got this example. Sunday, I take breakfast with all the family together. Then I do my homework, etc. In the page 158, we got these two readings. Activity 3 extension, Melanie reading and Kevin reading. You're gonna read this and answer the questions. Considering what you have learned about healthy habits throughout the unit, make comments on the contents of Kevin and Melanie's diet. Suggest some alternative meal snacks for Kevin and Melanie. Give reasons for your suggestion. We got an example here. Do you think it's healthy Kevin's diet or Melanie's diet? I suggest for Kevin to eat more healthy foods like salads and definitely more fruits, okay? In the page 115, we got visible thinking, analytical thinking, finding similarities and differences. Habits at home, mention the types of food you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and the activities you do together, whether they are physical or not. Use the present simple tense and adverbs of frequency to talk about your habits. Write your answers in the following graphic organizer. Main topic, this is an example, my family. Subtopic, physical activities and not physical activities. Similarities between each week, both weeks we run together. This is an example, okay? And you need to write the differences. And for last, in the page 116, we got our healthy habits and sport really are important. Prepare your brainstorm and your personal opinions on the topic. Use the organizer to help you. This is an example. Healthy condition, the sports make me stronger and feel very good with myself. That's all for today's week, guys, for the homework for this week. Have a nice week, guys, and take care.